This demonstration will quickly cover one application of asset management for a water supplier that wants to implement a periodic valve turning program. CEI builds asset management solutions using industry-standard ArcGIS software. Solutions can therefore be tailored to specific client needs rather than using specialized and costly proprietary software packages. All results can be easily shared with water system personnel that have an ArcGIS Online account. In this example, we start with an interactive GIS map of the water supply system, where we can view static information for specific attributes such as installation year. We can also view dynamic information such as past inspection results from multiple years, including a repair log. Finally, we can toggle to other layers in town, such as the stormwater system and the sanitary sewer system. We can then open up a dashboard to enable tracking and implementation of a valve turning program. This dashboard can be used to track which valves are due for each inspection year, how many inspections have been completed, and how many are remaining. This dashboard can also be toggled and used to track and visualize inspection results, including a to-do list of repairs that have been made versus repairs that still need to be made. This is just one example of asset management. There are many similar applications that can be built for other tasks such as hydrant flushing and tracking water main replacement schedules. Thank you for listening.